The following segment is sponsored by Gateway Foundation, Addiction Medicine, Saving Lives.
Welcome back. Research shows that more than half of all veterans with a substance use disorder do not receive effective treatment. Medical reporter Barbara Morse spoke to a doctoral student in Rhode Island who is studying these disparities as part of her government-funded dissertation.
The complex population with exposure to trauma.
Rachel Gerard is talking about our military veterans. Her research, which started at the University of Michigan, continues at the University of Rhode Island, based around this knowledge.
But veterans actually experience twice the risk for an opioid-related overdose.
And she's found veterans are less likely to receive life-saving interventions.
I'm really interested in stigma because I think that there's still a lot of work we have to do within this field. So the point of this is to really understand kind of how stigma operates from the provider perspective.
Through her previous research with the Veterans Administration, she surveyed providers across the country.
And then what's really unique about this project is we're actually going to look at the associations of those profiles with treatment decisions. Patients with different complexities, primarily co-occurring substance use and substance use disorders, which is the norm, what we're seeing.
Particularly in rural areas where there are fewer providers and where inherent bias might exist at higher rates. The goal is to push for culture shifts in thinking and therefore treating, avoiding certain words and thinking a start.
Like alcoholic, abuser, druggie, right? Like these terms perpetuate the stigma. And so it just takes a second to think about, okay, there's a bias. That's a person with a substance use disorder, right? A person with an alcohol use disorder. This is not a personal or moral failing. This is a diagnosis that someone has.
Rachel's research is funded by the National Institutes of Health. In addition to providers' perceptions, this research looks at veterans' perceptions that may be a barrier to getting the help they need. I'm medical reporter Barbara Morse.
Thank you, Barbara. If you are someone or you know are in need of assistance, Gateway Foundation has resources for you. Just head over to the Addicted Illinois tab over on our website.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox Illinois.